To prevent pooling of excess water in a rain garden, we at the Rutgers University Water Resources Program install an underdrain. To install the underdrain, a trench must be dug at the bottom of the rain garden. The trench must be 8 inches deep and a foot wide, with its length dependent on the length of the rain garden. Once dug, lay the trench with clean 3/4 inch stone. Place the perforated pipe on the bed of stone, attach a 90-degree elbow into the elevated end of the pipe. To the elbow, attach a riser and an atrium. The other end of the pipe will be attached to a catch basin or daylighted to a downhill location. Once the pipe is installed, lay the rest of the clean 3/4 inch stone in the trench surrounding the pipe. After the underdrain is installed, backfill 12 inches of bioretention media in the rain garden, followed by 3 inches of mulch. Once mulch is laid, cut the riser to the desired ponding elevation of the rain garden, typically 3 to 6 inches above the mulch. Then, attach the atrium to the cut riser. We recommend capping and drilling a small orifice into the outlet of the underdrain, typically about 1/2 inch. This slows the discharge from the underdrain to improve the system's ability to remove nitrogen and other contaminants for the stormwater, while still allowing adequate flow to the drain system. When pooling above this clearance takes place, any excess water will flow into the atrium through the pipe and into the catch basin or hill.